Good afternoon, providers. Nice to be here with you today to run through a quick tutorial on how to upload documents into PRISM. So I'm going to share my screen with you. And the first thing I want to just share is you would have received, should have received, the Excel file requested documents. This document, this Excel sheet, really gives you all the information you need as you're entering, uploading documents into PRISM. It gives you the name of the document we're requesting. It gives you the title that we would like you to name the document so that we're able to easily locate it. It gives you the category that you're putting it under, the subcategory that you're putting it under, and then a description. I'll run through a few other items that we didn't list on this sheet, which you'll need to do, you'll need to enter as you're uploading into PRISM. So next, let's go to PRISM. So your PRISM screen should look similar to this. And over here on the right side of the screen is this red box that says New Provider Document. So when you go to upload, you'll see this provider. There are already two documents here that are in their PRISM file. I want to upload a new one for this file. So you click on New Provider Document. Here at the top would be your program's name, because you can only enter documents into the programs that are assigned to you as a user. The next box, you would put in the name of the document. Um, so let me look at my document sheet. So the document title that we're going to name this first document that we're going to upload is grievance procedure. I'm going to upload grievance procedure. GR. This next document type always defaults to provider forms. The next one is the category. So for grievance procedure, the category is program. So instead of nutrition, you're choosing program. The subcategory is policy. So you're going to go to subcategories and you're going to find policy. The next is a quick description. And as I said, the Excel sheet has a description. So really this one's simple. Grievance procedure. The next you would go and you would find the document in your files. You've probably done this from time to time, maybe with your personal computer, but you would go and look where you scanned it. So in this case, I have a file on my desktop called PRISM upload files. So when I scan things, I saved everything to the PRISM upload file. Then I don't have to go and look for them. I know where I put them. It's just a best practice. You do it however it works for you. So I'm going there, PRISM upload file, and I'm going to choose grievance procedure. And because I scanned it, I'm going to send the PDF. So I click on it, I say open, and it pulls grievance procedure PDF over here onto my screen. The next field is keywords. I'm going to put in just the two keywords, grievance and procedure. We didn't give this to you on the spreadsheet because you can choose a couple of words that describe it. AED, evacuation plan, uh, sign-in sheets, whatever you feel is appropriate for the keywords. Now, the document is being created in PRISM as of today, which is October 17th. So your valid date should also be October 17th. Your document valid to date should be 6/30/24. Once you put it in once, it's going to hold it here in your memory. So 6/30/24. So it's going to sit here and be available on your screen for us to see, for you to see until June 30th of 24. That gives us enough time to have it there. Then it would become, as of June 30th or July 1st, it would become inactive and it would be archived. It would be available if we ever were audited and we needed to pull something out. But in the meantime, it's not going to be cluttering up your screen, um, especially as we're entering then a new year. Um, and then, of course, it's active. So then you click Save and Upload, and it pulls it up. So the next thing you see here on the screen, grievance procedure. Every file gets given, when it's pulled into PRISM, it gets given an ID number, that's just a standard practice. And if you go and look at this, actually, if we click on that, you're going to see the data entry screen that you just filled out. So gives you all the information that you just filled out, the document valid to, from, etc. And you can click up here in the right, back to documents. So these are the documents. So again, I'll do it one more time. New provider document. This time, we're going to choose something different. I think we're going to upload August food cost record. August food cost record. Again, it defaults to provider forms. This time, it's a nutrition document. So instead of it going to program, I'm going to put it under nutrition. Here, for nutrition, the subcategory would be food cost record. The description, August food cost record. Again, we go and we browse the file. Now it's going to default to the last file you were looking in. This is another smart idea because if you're using a file where you put all the documents, it's always going to it'll continue to look at that file and open that file so all your documents would be there. In this case, if it wasn't there and I needed to go find it on my desktop, I could go look around. But in this case, it's there. So I'm going to click on August food cost record, pull it in. I'm going to put in a couple of keywords, food cost, document created on. Again, it's being created and put into PRISM as of today, 10/17. So I'm going to replicate that date. You can click here and you can say 10/17, click on the date, or you can go and put in the date 10/17/2023 that way. And then we want to make it valid to 6/30/24. 6/30/24. You hit save and upload. It pulls it in. And there it is. 10/17, August food cost record. This was what I just entered for it. And then if I want to see it, or on our end, if the PO wants to look at it, they're going to click on view. And they can pull it up. This is not actually a food cost record. It was just a document, but they can pull it up and open it and look at it. I hope that helps explain it. It's pretty straightforward. If you have questions, please reach out to your PO. Feel free to touch base with them and let them know what your questions are. We're sharing this to hopefully help you make it through and be familiar with it. If you would like more of a training to run through it again, we can certainly set that up. But hopefully this will answer your questions and make it easy for you to upload. So goodbye for now. And please reach out to your PO if there are any concerns. Thank you very much. Bye.